Hey guys, this is Gerson. Here's one more video. This time it's electrical work, so I'm just gonna say that if you're not a professional or if you're doing it yourself, just make sure the power is off. Be very careful. If you're not sure what you're doing, call a professional. So this is very simple. It's just showing how to install a switch. This is called a decora switch, and there's a top and bottom. You can't see it, but there's a ladder here. Saying the side. So anyway, when we ran the wires, we labeled them. We put an F as a feed. So this wire is the feed, this wire here. So basically, to simplify, this wire is from the panel, the electrical panel. This is the main one, main line, right? And this is the load, goes to the light. And as you probably know, this is a ground. So I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna wire it and show you.